Okay, so this is the room. We're on the 16th floor. They have a iron clothes, bathrobe, some hanger, extra pillow if you want, an umbrella, and then on a safe and a steamer, extra blanket. And we have a mini bar with some water, Sprite, Coke, coffee, and then the bathroom. Ooh, like mirror. Inside. And then all the amenity, body milk, soap. Oh, ouch. Here's the really brand new, really nice. So we'll have to check out the water pressure later. Did they mess up something there? But overall it's really nice. The floor moves. Nice. Here's the bath, bed. Bright. Two queen size, full size bed. TV. A desk. Let's go outside. Yeah. Door. Hold on, let me. Okay, so we have some chair for you to sit. And then you can see the lagoon. Not the beach, but the lagoon. Oh, there's a children's pool down there. Tennis court. Yep, children activity pool. Let's take a look. There's tennis court right there. Children's pool right there. Right there. You can see the lagoon. The water is not as nice. We did not get the beachfront property, but we get the lagoon view. Some flag up there, but the sky is sure nice. So there you go. There's the room tour of the Wyndham Grand Hotel. Wow, I love the cloud. Take some picture. Okay, there's the AC. The AC worked really well. It's pretty cold, so that's good. So in 21 degrees. Okay, so they do have the two plugs for you to charge your phone with an extra outlet. Clock and a charger. Nice. Okay, so let's test out the water pressure. It's okay. Oh, the cold is better. Yeah, you don't want too hot water anyway. So there's the one's the hot, one is cold. hot here anyway. So let's test out the water pressures. And here they only give you the shower gel and the conditioning shampoo, so no conditioner. So thank goodness I brought my own. So if you usually use conditioner, make sure you bring your own. Okay, so here's the pretty easy to use. And then you just lift it up and then the water come out. So the water pressure is really good. As you can see, this is newly remodeled. So you just turn it off, you just press it down, and that's it. So overall, I really like the shower.